subscribe, and hit the bell icon. The Indian Star Tortoise. Hi everybody, my name is Leo. I am a junior ranger, and this is my puppy, Hero. Let's play soccer, Hero. Get the ball! Hey, where can it be? I saw the ball going in this direction. Did you find it, Hero? Hey, that's not my football. It's hard and smooth. It looks like a turtle. What a pretty shell you have. I wonder what kind of turtle you are. You know what we should do? Let's take a photo and send it to my sister Katie. She is also a junior ranger. Smile, Mr. Turtle. Hi, Katie. Did you find anything?
Hi, Leo. This tortoise is an Indian star tortoise. That's a very suitable name for this animal. The Indian star tortoise comes from India, Sri Lanka, and parts of Pakistan. And, as you have noticed, the Indian star tortoise has star-like markings on its round shell.
They look amazing, but what are those markings for?
With the star-like markings on its shell, this tortoise can hide very well among grasses or plants. Their hard shells help to protect them, but they are still preyed upon by large birds and reptiles such as snakes. So Indian star tortoises have to hide themselves well from these sharp predators. Indian star tortoises normally live in dry scrub forests or grasslands. They can hide much better there. These places also provide the right kind of food for them, like grasses, flowers, and fallen fruit.
Then we have to bring this Indian star tortoise back home, where it can hide and find the right food to eat. Come and join us.
That's a great idea, Leo. See you downstairs.
Come on, everybody, join me in this party. 1, 2, here we go, for lots of fun and lots to learn. Come on, everybody, join me in this party. 1, 2, it's your turn for lots of fun and lots to learn. 1, 2, off we go for lots of fun and lots to learn. Come on, guys, let's continue on foot.
Look, Leo, there is a man over there. What is he doing?
Hey, he picked up an Indian star tortoise. Why is he running?
Maybe he's an illegal pet trader hunting for Indian star tortoises. So he might take the poor tortoise to another country and sell it.
Hero, wait for us! Oh, wow! There are so many Indian star tortoises here. I hope they're all right.
Don't worry, Leo. A tortoise will protect itself from getting hurt by hiding in its shell. Luckily, these tortoises are unharmed from the fall.
Phew! Let's put them back into the container carefully.
Enjoy the sun and the grass, little ones.
We did it! We found a home for the Indian star tortoises. Great work, everyone! Yay! We found an Indian star tortoise in our garden.
We learned that Indian star tortoises like to live in dry and warm places, and that the star patterns on their shells help them hide in grass.
So we found a nice home for the tortoise where it can enjoy the sunlight with other Indian star tortoises.
Good job, children. You did it. You are amazing wildlife rangers.
The Sumatran rhinoceros. Hero, here, boy! Hi, everybody. My name is Leo, and I am a junior ranger. And this is my puppy, Hero. Let's play a game of hide and seek. I'm going to close my eyes and count to 10. You hide, and then I'll come and find you. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10. I'm coming to find you, Hero. Oh, Hero, where are you? Aha! Whoa, you're not, Hero. Hey, you're stuck in a trap. Who did that to you? Let me help you. Easy. I'm just trying to help you. If you struggle, the trap will hurt you. There we go. That wasn't so bad, was it? It looks like it dragged itself all the way here. You know what we should do? Let's take a photo and send it to my sister Katie. She is also a junior ranger. Now hold still, Rhino. Hi, Katie. Did you find anything?
You're just in time, Leo. The computer is looking for information about the baby rhino. Bingo! This rhino is a Sumatran rhinoceros.
A Sumatran rhinoceros?
Yes, Sumatran rhinos come from the rainforests of Indonesia, specifically in Sumatra, Sabah, and Borneo. They used to be seen in parts of Malaysia as well.
But not anymore?
Some people believe that horns from rhinos are a miracle medicine, and people have been hunting them for a long time. Right now, there are possibly less than 80 Sumatran rhinos left alive. That trap from earlier was probably set by one of the hunters.
Less than 80? Can't the zoos help protect them?
Sadly, no. Only 5 rhinos have been born in zoos in the last 125 years. Rhinos need to be in the wild or they won't have babies.
We've got to get this baby rhino back to his home and to his mother then. Come and join us.
That's a great idea, Leo. See you downstairs.
Come on, everybody. Join me in this party. 1, 2, here we go. For lots of fun and lots to learn. Come on, everybody. Join me in this party. 1, 2, it's your turn. For lots of fun and lots to learn. 1, 2, off we go. For lots of fun and lots to learn.
I think she's really cute.
It's a she?
Well, the females have shorter horns than the males and...
Shh! Do you hear that?
It's getting louder.
Run!
She's still injured. She can't run.
I'll distract the rhino. It's not working.
I'll take care of this, Junior Rangers. Run!
Looks like they've gone.
Phew, that was close.
We must have gotten too close to that rhino's home.
Oh no! That's the rhino that was chasing us earlier.
Careful, baby rhino.
So it was her mother all along. She wasn't chasing us. She was trying to get her baby.
We did it! We found the mother of the baby rhino!
Yippee!
We found a baby rhino in our garden, and it was a Sumatran rhinoceros.
We learned that there are very few rhinos left. If they continue to be hunted, they might disappear forever.
So we went to the rainforest and brought the baby rhino back to its mother.
Good job, children. You did it. You are amazing wildlife rangers.
The white-spotted bamboo shark. Hi, everybody. My name is Leo. I am a junior ranger, and this is my puppy, Hero. It's such a warm day, so I'm going to let my pet turtle cool off in the pond. Did I give you an idea, Hero? Wow, look at that big fish. It's trying to grab the turtle. There you go. I didn't know we had such a big fish in our pond. Let me scoop it out with the tank. Hey, this big fish looks like a small shark. You know what we should do? Let's take a photo and send it to my sister Katie. She is also a junior ranger. Hi, Katie. Did you find anything about the baby shark?
Hi, Leo. The animal you found is a white-spotted bamboo shark. But it's not a baby. It's a young adult.
But I thought sharks were big and scary animals.
Not all sharks are big and dangerous, Leo. Adult bamboo sharks will not grow longer than 1 meter in length. So this bamboo shark is almost fully grown. And bamboo sharks are harmless to humans.
So where does the bamboo shark come from?
White-spotted bamboo sharks are found in coral reefs in the Pacific Ocean around Southeast Asia.
What's a coral reef?
A coral reef is made up of tiny animals called polyps. Polyps stay in one place and form the shapes of the coral reef. A coral reef can be very colorful and is filled with many living creatures, such as plants and fish.
Wow! Coral reefs are beautiful!
Bamboo sharks live in coral reefs because most of the small animals they eat are found there. The bamboo shark uses his small teeth to hold onto its prey and crush them. The coral reef also provides protection for the bamboo shark because there are a lot of places to hide from predators.
Our pond doesn't have a coral reef, so we should bring the bamboo shark back to where it belongs. Come and join us.
That's a great idea, Leo. See you downstairs.
Come on, everybody, join me in this party. 1, 2, here we go, for lots of fun and lots to learn. Come on, everybody, join me in this party. 1, 2, it's your turn for lots of fun and lots to learn. 1, 2, off we go for lots of fun and lots to learn. With our Jeep, we should get there in no time.
A big shark is following us, Leo.
Don't worry, Katie. I'll go a little faster.
It's one of the great white sharks, the great hunters of the sea. They can swim very fast and they sometimes eat smaller sharks.
As long as we're in the Jeep, we're safe.
It's another great white shark. Leo, the bamboo shark has fallen into the sea.
Come back, Hero. It's too dangerous.
The sharks are coming this way.
Where's Hero? I can't see him.
Look, Hero found a reef. He's standing on it.
That's great. The great white sharks won't be able to swim there. Full speed ahead.
The bamboo shark is almost on the other side.
We made it. We escaped the big sharks.
Enjoy, bamboo shark.
We did it. We found a new home for the bamboo shark. Hooray! Hooray! We found a white-spotted bamboo shark in our pond.
We learned that bamboo sharks are small and harmless to humans, and that they live in the coral reefs of the Pacific Ocean.
So we brought the bamboo shark to a safe spot in a colorful coral reef.
Good job, children. You did it. You are amazing wildlife rangers.
The Dugong. Hi, everybody. My name is Leo. I am a junior ranger. And this is my puppy, Hero. Come on in, Hero. It's really nice in here. Look, Hero, I'm a shark. Don't worry, Hero. It's just me. I'm not a shark. Hero, I'm really not a shark. Shark! Get out, Hero! I think that's not a shark, Hero. Phew! But what is it? You know what we should do? Let's take a photo and send it to my sister Katie. She is also a junior ranger. Hi, Katie. So did you find out what animal it is?
Hi, Leo. Almost there. Our latest visitor is a dugong. It is also known as a sea cow.
A sea cow? It doesn't look like a cow.
It's sometimes called a sea cow because dugongs like to eat grass, just like the cows in the farm. But dugongs eat the grass in the sea. Sometimes they also eat jellyfish and shellfish.
So where do dugongs come from?
Dugongs can be found in the waters in the Indo-Pacific. Unfortunately, there aren't many dugongs left, so some places in the world try to protect them.
Our swimming pool isn't big enough for this dugong, so we should take it to one of those places that can protect it. Come and join us.
Good idea, Leo. See you downstairs.
Come on, everybody, join me in this party. 1, 2, here we go, for lots of fun and lots to learn. Come on, everybody, join me in this party. 1, 2, it's your turn for lots of fun and lots to learn. 1, 2, off we go for lots of fun and lots to learn.
Look, Leo. There's a boat out there. I think it's coming closer.
They're coming at us fast. We'd better get out of their way.
They're following us, Leo. Ranger Rocky!
I need to warn you, Junior Rangers. I told you dugongs were hunted for their meat and oil. But I forgot to tell you that in some places, this is still happening, even when people are not allowed to do this. So be careful.
Oh no! The people on that boat must have seen our dugong and want to catch it.
Leo, they're shooting at us.
Oh no, they're pulling us in. Their boat is much stronger than our Jeep.
Hero!
What's Hero doing?
I think, yes. Hero is biting through the rope. Good job, Hero.
We're free! Now quickly get Hero in so we can leave.
I've got Hero, Leo.
Okay, everybody sit tight.
We lost them.
Let's throw this net in the trash when we get home. Otherwise, animals might get stuck in it.
Great idea, Leo. Look! There are more dugongs here.
Goodbye, Dugong. We did it. We found a home for the Dugong. Hooray!
Yay!
found a dugong in our swimming pool.
We learned that dugongs are called sea cows because they love to eat seagrass. Unfortunately, there aren't many dugongs left in the world.
So we took it to a safe place with plenty of seagrass.
Good job, children. You did it. You are amazing wildlife rangers.
The Indian Peacock. Hi, everybody. My name is Leo. I am a junior ranger. And this is my puppy. Hero, leave that bird alone. Be nice, Hero. You're much bigger than that bird. Hey, look. The bird dropped a feather. Feathers are important because they help birds fly, keep them warm, and hide them from predators. You found another feather, Hero. It must be from another bird. Look, it has a different color. Let's see if we can find more feathers. What is it, Hero? You found another feather? Wow, is that a feather? It looks so different from the other feathers. It's so big and it's so colorful. What was that? Wow, it's a big and beautiful bird. I wonder what kind of bird this is. You know what we should do? Let's take a photo and send it to my sister Katie. She is also a junior ranger. Wow, look at those feathers. Hi, Katie. Did you find anything?
Hi, Leo. So, the bird you found is... It's an Indian peacock, also known as a blue peacock.
Well, it definitely is blue, and it's called an Indian peacock because it comes from India?
That's right. It's usually found in the rainforests of India and Sri Lanka. Peacocks eat seeds, fruits, insects, and even small animals like lizards and snakes.
What else did you find out, Katie?
Actually, a peacock is a male, like the one you found, and a female is called a peahen. The peacocks, or males, are more colorful and have bigger tail feathers. The peahens, or females, have more dull-looking colors. Both the male and female are called a peafowl.
So it's an Indian peafowl.
Correct. Not all peafowls are blue, though. Some are born with white feathers. And peafowls are one of the largest flying birds in the world.
Such an interesting bird. I don't think it belongs in our garden. We should bring the peacock back to its friends. Come and join us.
That's a great idea, Leo. See you downstairs.
Come on, everybody. Join me in this party. 1, 2, here we go. For lots of fun and lots to learn. Come on, everybody. Join me in this party. 1, 2, it's your turn. For lots of fun and lots to learn. 1, 2, off we go. For lots of fun and lots to learn. With the Jeep, we should get there in no time.
What is it, Hero? Leo, it looks like some big cats are following us.
They could be jungle cats, Katie.
It says jungle cats are one of the peacock's predators. This means jungle cats hunt peacocks for food.
Don't worry, Katie. We're safe in the Jeep. Oh, no! It looks like we have a flat tire.
Can we change it?
There's no time. Those jungle cats are too close. Quick, let's start walking. There are too many. The peacock scared the jungle cats away by making itself look big.
Good work, Peacock. Your feathers are really useful.
We did it! We found a group of peahens.
Hooray!
An Indian peacock in our garden.
We learned that peacocks are male peafowls. They have big tail feathers to impress the females, which are called peahens.
So we went to the rainforest and found a group of peahens for the peacock.
Good job, children. You did it. You are amazing wildlife rangers.
Hola, exploradores juniors. Check out our Spanish channel by clicking the link in the description below. See you there!